Alright, it's been a freaking minute since my last video, but we're finally back on the PS4, and I formatted my system. I think I want to start fresh on this PlayStation 4 and try to make some modding videos again. So for this video, we're going to be jailbreaking the PS4. There's a new jailbreak that came out, and I kind of want to try it. So this jailbreak is from version 5.05 to 13.04. So I'm going to be doing it on system version 9.00, but either way, it's going to be the same steps if you were on this firmware or lower, or even up to the 13.04. So it's going to be the same no matter what software you're on. So with that being said, if you guys do enjoy this though, leave a like. I would appreciate it. If you're new, subscribe. I would appreciate that as well. And let's switch over to the PC and get these files on the USB. Alright, so we're on the PC. We just need two main files here. I'm going to be installing 3, which is going to be the homebrew store. So if you don't want to install that, you don't have to. But the first 2 files we obviously need for the jailbreak. So the first one is the jailbreak app itself. So like I said before, this is where it shows the version where it supports 5.05, 13.04. So let's go ahead and from here on the right side, click on the releases view after file right here. So just click that. It'll open up a new page. Scroll down and look for the view system backup Z. Click on it, let it download. So the next file we're going to need here is hen. Now I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to be using gold hen, which is for my supported version of my console, which is 9.00. I recommend using this one if you are on anything below 9.00. So if you're on a higher software, like I said, you can go ahead and use this file. So just go ahead and click the build 86. And then from here, just click the hen.bin. This is technically the same thing as what I'm going to be downloading. So just download this if you're above 9.00. But I'm on 9.00, so I'm going to be using gold hen. So on the right side here, click gold hen. And then just scroll down until you find the gold hen zip. Just go ahead and click on that to download it. So the third file, like I said, is optional. I'm going to be downloading it. Most likely you probably will too. It's the homebrew store. So on the right side, once again, click on the under the releases, click the link, and then from here, just click on the store r2.pkg. Okay, so from here, go ahead and right click on your USB, click format. This is gonna erase everything, and just make sure you select this file system here to exFAT. So go ahead and click exFAT, just click start, click OK. The format is completed, so now we could drag the files into our USB. The root folder. So go ahead and open up where your downloads are. Okay, so from here, this is where we want to use the files that we just downloaded. So the first one's going to be the view app, which is the jailbreak app. So click on the zip file and then click into the folder. And then from here, just drag over the PlayStation 4 folder that's in the file into the root of the USB. Now we want to install the hen or gold hen. So from here, go ahead and click on whatever application you're using. I'm using gold hen, like I said. So just go ahead and drag in your system software version into the root of the USB. Now I just downloaded the hen.bin as well, just to show it's going to be the same process for this as well. When you download the file, all you're going to have is just this file. You're not going to have a zip folder like I have for gold hen. So the same thing, just drag this into the root of the USB. And from here, what you're going to want to do, this is important, right click on the file and go ahead and rename this. And we're going to just name this to payload. So make sure it's payload.bin, all lowercase. Now the third file, like I said, is optional. It's the homebrew store. All you got to do for this, just simply drag it into the root of the USB. And once that's done, we are done with the PC. So there we go. We can now close out of all of these folders and plug in the USB into the PS4. So we're back on the PS4 now. So from here, go into your settings. And before we go any further, go into your network settings and make sure the connect to the internet is unticked. So if it's checked, uncheck it, back out of here, and we can now move forward. So from here, go all the way down to system, click inside of system. From here, scroll all the way down to backup and restore. So this is going to fully restore your PS4 and basically wipe it as factory while also installing the jailbreak app. So from here, click on restore PS4. And then from here, we'll see the file. So just go ahead and click on that. From here, it's just going to tell you when it restores. Everything's just going to get deleted, basically. So just go ahead and click restore, obviously, and then just click yes. All right, so once your PS4 boots back up, you'll have this new view user on your PS4. So just go ahead into that. And from here, before we actually do the jailbreak itself, we want to go back into our settings. From here, just go ahead into our network, and we want to make sure that this is now checked. So back out of here, and then from here, we're going to also go back down into our settings system. And from here, just make sure the automatic downloads are all turned off. You don't want anything updating on this console. And now we have to set up our network. So go into the network settings, click set up internet connection. And from here, just click whatever you're using. I'm using Wi-Fi. I don't have an Ethernet cable connected, so just go ahead and click whatever you're using. We're going to want to go ahead and click on custom. But I connected to my Wi-Fi, so let's just wait for the next page to load. So from here, IP address settings, go ahead and click automatic. DHCP, do not specify, and then from here go ahead and click on manual for the DNS settings. So you're going to want to put this exact DNS for your primary, so just go ahead, pause the video, put this as your primary. Secondary you could just leave as zeros. Go ahead and click next. From here, MTU settings, automatic. Proxy server, do not use. And test the internet connection. So let's go ahead and test this. So you're going to want to make sure the IP address is successful, so in this case it is. Everything else, it doesn't really matter, so just go ahead and click on circle from here. So just back all the way out, all the way to your main menu here, and now from here we can go ahead and open the view app, so just go ahead and into that. If you get this update notification, just click update later. Okay, so if you get this notification, go ahead into your settings. I'll show you how to fix that, pretty simple. So go to settings, scroll down until you get to the system, then from here just enable the HDCP. So bear with me, I had to switch to my phone to record this part of the video because I had to disable the HDCP, which does not allow my game capture to record my screen. But anyways, once you open up the app, all you have to do is just simply click jailbreak, and it's just gonna sit on this screen and just let the notifications pop up as well. And you'll know it's actually completed once you get the gold hen notification. So once you get the gold hen notification, you could press the PS button to close out of the app. And then from there, you're pretty much jailbroken. You can install package files, which we're going to do now. All right, so back on the screen capture. Now we're actually jailbroken. We can install package files. So we are going to install the homebrew store. So let's go ahead into the gold hen settings here. From here, just click debug settings and then package installer, and we should see the store r2.pkg, which is the homebrew store. So just go ahead and click on this and it'll just simply install. So once this is done, which that took really fast to do, from there we can just hit the PS button and we should have the homebrew store on the home page, which we do. So let's go ahead and let's click into this, and there we go. We are in the homebrew store. All the icons are loading up for the apps. Let's go ahead and let's close out of this now, and that's pretty much it. We are now fully jailbroken. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this, leave a like. Also subscribe for more jailbreak update and videos. I'll obviously make an updated video once a new jailbreak comes out for a higher firmware. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one.